Harsha is joining us live. Harsha, tell us about what exactly happened during the parliamentary committee meeting. We just heard Praful Patel. Tell us more, Harsha.
The meeting which commenced at 11 o'clock has finally now has concluded. The meeting we saw the presence of all the members of the Public Accounts Committee, saw the presence of the Secretary of Civil Aviation, DGCA, BCAS, Airport Authority of India, AERA, the Air India CEO Campbell Wilson. The other officials were also present in the meeting. But so far we know that it was not a meeting which went on smooth because several questions were raised by Member of Parliament to the Air India, to the regulatory body and to the Aviation Secretary as well. We have got to know that several MPs like Sukhendu Shekhar and also Praful Patel, the former Civil Aviation Minister, stated that there should be a proper audit, not only of regulatory body BCAS and DGCA, but there should be a proper audit of MOCA as well. It's the high time that the responsibility is set on the ministry and on the regulatory body. And there were issues of the air safety, concerns about the infrastructure, about the price surge of the airline during the peak seasons and festivals as well. We have got to know that it was discussed that what's the investigation report and how far, where the inquiry by the ministry has reached regarding the AI 171 crash and what does the black box details further state. And these all questions were raised by MPs in the meeting. We have got to know the final detailing and 1 to 1 minute of the meeting today will be added in the Parliamentary Committee meeting of Public Accounts, and simultaneously one inquiry and investigation report. Till now, what has been done and initiated in the AI 171 crash will be submitted to the Public Accounts Committee as well. This was a meeting which generally emphasized on the aftermath of AI 171 crash, and from that time to till now, how serious are the airlines and especially Air India, because technical snags has been seen and reported in Air India flights simultaneously. And these are the questions which were raised by Member of Parliament to Air India CEO Campbell Wilson as well. His deposition was the most important deposition today in the Parliament in front of the committee. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, thank you for joining me with those details. Now let's move on, viewers, to the war of words that erupted between AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi and Union Minister of Minority Affairs. But before that, let's continue to track what exactly happened in that parliamentary committee meeting. Harsha is staying with us live to get us more details. Harsha, tell us about what the MPs discussed in that particular meeting, whether there was any aspersions that were raised, because Praful Patel said that the meeting also discussed confidence building among passengers as well after the Air India crash. Here's the latest is that the MPs who were present in that parliamentary committee meeting demanded the audit of